In this tutorial, you will learn to choose words for your writing that will really pack a punch. Choosing the right word to use is a key writing skill. Unfortunately, many young writers don't appreciate this and are happy to use the first word that pops into their head. This can result in rather general and uninspiring descriptions. Being more precise and having greater attention to detail and choosing your vocabulary carefully makes each sentence more engaging to read. Take a look at this. Michael went home. The verb choice went is so vague that I don't know what to imagine. If only we'd use something more specific, like sprinted, strolled, bounded, crept, drove, cycled, staggered, and sneaked. These words are far more precise and paint a far more vivid and exact picture in your head. Here's another vague sentence. It was a hot day. Instead of hot, why not use scorching, sizzling, oven-like, humid, stuffy, sticky, sweltering, or tropical? Each of these words describe the day so much more than hot. I got out of bed. How though? How did you get out of bed? Tumbled, piled, edged, climbed, sprung, rolled, sneaked, or fell? Each of these words paint a far more interesting picture. Nice is another vague word. The food was nice? How about the food was delicious, or tasty, or filling, or moorish, or scrumptious, or heavenly, mouth-watering, or luscious? Very is another word to avoid. The water was very cold? You mean chilly. Beth was very happy? You mean overjoyed. The rhino ran very quickly? You mean charged. Tom was very hungry? You mean famished. So, in conclusion, from now on, make sure you choose your verbs and adjectives carefully. Always ask yourself, can I be more precise? And avoid using these words. Went, hot, cold, said, big, small, nice, walked, liked, laughed, happy, and very.